Presenting HP Laser MFP136W printer, which is suitable for small office and home use. This wireless laser printer can print, scan and copy. You can print using the built-in Wi-Fi or via HP Smart App, and you can also connect it using the USB 2.0 port. This HP printer can print up to 20 pages per minute. This printer features LED control panel for your convenience and is equipped with auto on or off technology to save energy. Inside the box you will find HP printer, pre-installed HP Laserjet black print cartridges, power cord, USB cable, setup guide, reference guide, regulatory and statement flyers. This product comes with 1 year of warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi guys, my name is Ishan Sani and I was looking to buy a new printer for my office use, and few weeks back I bought the new HP Laserjet printer. Let me tell you more about it. The design of this beautiful printer is classic HP. It is small and compact and can fit anywhere in your room or office. With a small footprint and a fold-up paper tray, you can also shift the device from one place to another without any trouble. The printer has a duty cycle of 10,000 pages and it prints quickly and accurately. Depending upon the quality of the ink, the printer produces great monochrome documents with sharp text, bold blacks and crisp graphics. It is compatible with an HP Smart App, with which you can control many printing options through your phone. The setup is simple and user-friendly. The documents can also be shared with third-party softwares such as Dropbox and Google Drive using the HP Smart App. It also connects with a smartphone via Direct Wi-Fi and a USB 2.0 for further ease of usage. This HP Laserjet printer is a very good choice if you are looking for a small and compact printer for daily use.